Tuesday, May 25th is an important day for the mid-infrared industry. At 4 p.m. CEST, we say welcome to the Mid-Infrared Alliance. We built a shared marketplace to boost industrial innovation in mid-infrared-based sensing and manufacturing. We are here not only to align long-term goals, but also to align immediate progress. The whole value chain is now in one place. Mid-infrared fibers, detectors, cameras, lasers, integrated photonics, system integrators, and end users. Everyone is here because together we are stronger. We've assembled a trusted network where competitors can collaborate. Because we share the realization that if we can leverage our differences, we can create value, reduce time to market, and raise joint awareness to create new markets. Laser-based manufacturing, automotive, space, security and defense, medical are all sectors in which mid-infrared technologies will make a huge impact, but only if we work together. So this is the place where we connect, we share ideas, we discover what we have in common, and then we start building a better future. The sky is our limit, and we are tuned to the same wavelength, Mid-Infrared. Join us in the Mid-Infrared Alliance.